Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make whipped feta Greek pasta salad. We're taking a classic Greek salad, adding some pasta, and making the most amazing whipped feta dressing for it. This is a pasta salad that you have got to try. Start by boiling 1 pound of rotini pasta according to the package directions. While the pasta is cooking, we'll go ahead and prep all of our vegetables. Dice half of a red onion. We'll also dice 1 red bell pepper. I like using red for the little sweetness. You'll also dice 1 cucumber, and you can leave the peel on or peel it off. Either way is fine. You'll also want to have 1 pint of either cherry or grape tomatoes. Add in some sliced kalamata olives, and you have all of the fixings for a traditional Greek salad. But of course, this isn't just a Greek salad, this is a Greek pasta salad, so we're gonna keep on going. Go ahead and drain the pasta and transfer that to a large mixing bowl. We're gonna pour a 1/4 cup of red wine vinegar over top while it's still warm. Give it a stir and we'll set it aside to cool. The pasta will soak up all of that vinegar flavor and give us a nice tangy bite. Next up, it's time for our dressing. We're gonna make this in a blender. To make it nice and creamy, you'll need 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt, 1 cup of crumbled feta cheese, 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, and I like to use freshly squeezed, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, a couple teaspoons of minced garlic. Then we'll add in a couple tablespoons of freshly minced basil, a tablespoon of minced mint, and a tablespoon of minced dill, and a teaspoon of dried oregano. Now you could use all dried herbs. I don't find any benefit into mincing up my own oregano, but fresh herbs do have that bright flavor that's so lovely. But if you want to use dried, that is a lot easier. You just use it in 1/3 of the amount. So for a tablespoon, you just use 1 teaspoon. Pop the lid on and then go ahead and give it a whip. If it's a little too thick, go ahead and drizzle in just a little bit of water, about a tablespoon at a time, until it's a drizzleable consistency. If we take a look here, you can see you want it to be thick and creamy. You don't want it to be too thin so that it's like a liquid. All that's left to do is put everything together. We'll slide in all of our veggies. Don't forget the olives. Now this one is optional, but if you wanted to add a little protein into the mix, you can add in a 15-ounce can of drained and rinsed chickpeas, also known as garbanzo beans. And then drizzle on that whipped feta goodness and stir it all together. Let it chill in the fridge for at least an hour before serving, but I'm gonna sneak a bite real quick here. This is so good. Just be prepared because everyone is going to be asking for this recipe at your next cookout. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.